Hey everyone, have you ever wished you had a personal trading expert to help make sense of all those confusing charts and indicators? Well, today, we're introducing something pretty amazing, a brand new progressive web app that brings professional level trading analysis right to your fingertips.
That's right, Maya. And what makes this so special is that it's powered by advanced AI that can analyze all the complex market data and explain it to you just like a professional trader would, but without the professional price tag. Plus, your privacy is completely protected.
I love that, so let's start with the basics. How do I actually navigate around this app? I see this nice sidebar menu here with lots of options.
Great question. The sidebar is your command center. You've got everything from trade settings, where you configure your analysis, to My Reports for accessing your insights, a full wallet for managing crypto, an AI assistant we call Trading Mentor for chatting with our LLM-powered expert, Market Pulse for sentiment analysis, and even sections for feedback, backup, and search. Everything you need in one place.
Okay, let's say I want to set up my first trading analysis. How does that work?
Perfect. In Trade Settings, you'll see your configured pairs list. Just hit Add New Pair, and you can choose from dozens of trading pairs. All the major cryptocurrencies like BTC USDT, Ether USDT, and even stock pairs like AAPL USD and TSLA USD. For time intervals, you can select from 1 minute all the way up to monthly, including options like 12 hours and weekly. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You have two ways to create your analysis. Option 1 is to use one of our pre-built strategies. We have several expert-designed strategies like Buy, Hold, Sell, Zero Lag Trend Signal, Trends Your Friend, Fibonacci Retracement, Stochastic RSI, Ichimoku TK Cross, and HEMA Trend Levels. Each strategy contains one or more technical indicators, and you'll see an estimated cost in SOL at the bottom before you confirm. Option 2 is Custom Analysis, where you can pick one or more from our 40-plus indicators. These are organized by category, volume, momentum, trend, and volatility, so it's easy to find what you need. After selecting your approach, choose your AI model tier, from budget all the way to enterprise level. Finally, click Save Settings, and you've created a subscription for that specific report. You'll see it added to your list with a countdown timer showing when the next analysis will be generated.
That sounds so much simpler than what I've used before, and I love that I can see when the next analysis will run with those color-coded timers. But what about actually getting the insights? How does that work?
Once your analysis runs, you'll get notified in the My Reports section under Available Reports. You can also use the Search section to find any historical report that has been generated. Just filter by trading pair, interval, strategy, or indicators. When you find a report you want, simply click the Buy button and pay just a few cents in SOL. Then you can view or download professional-grade trading insights. Think of it like having a team of traders working for you 24/7.
This is incredible. I noticed there's a Market Pulse section too. What's that for?
Market Pulse is your gateway to understanding market sentiment. You can subscribe to automated reports that analyze crypto, stock, and general financial news. Choose from daily, weekly, or monthly intervals to get comprehensive market insights. When you open a report, you'll see several key sections. First, the executive summary gives you a combined overview of all the news and the overall market sentiment, whether it's bullish, bearish, or neutral. Then you'll find Key Stories, which highlights the most important market-moving events with importance ratings and source links. Finally, there's an Analysis Metrics section showing how much content was analyzed and which assets were mentioned most frequently. It's like having a personal news analyst who's read everything for you.
Wow, that would save me so much time. I also noticed there's an AI assistant. Can I just chat with it like a real person?
Absolutely. Trading Mentor is one of my favorite features. It'll show you random trading topics you can explore, and you can ask follow-up questions on anything. There's even a web search toggle that lets the AI get the most current information for your questions. All your conversations are saved in the history, so you can pick up where you left off anytime. To use it, you'll need credits. You can buy those with the top-up button using your in-app wallet. Credits are consumed per conversation, and they're super affordable. It's like having a personal trading tutor available 24/7.
Speaking of the wallet, how does that work?
The wallet section is where you manage your SOL for buying reports and AI credits. You can see your balance and USD equivalent in real time. Top Up lets you add funds by showing a QR code you can scan, and Withdraw lets you send SOL to other addresses. There's also a complete transaction history showing all your activity, purchases, transfers, and interactions with the platform. Everything's secured on the Solana blockchain, so you have full transparency and control.
I'm really concerned about privacy, though. My trading data is pretty sensitive. How secure is all this?
That's exactly why we built this as a privacy-first application. We don't store any of your personal data on our servers. Everything is fully compliant with GDPR and CCPA regulations. And here's the best part. When you delete your cache, all your data is permanently removed from our servers. Zero data retention means zero risk.
That peace of mind is worth its weight in gold. What if I have suggestions or run into issues with the platform?
We love feedback. The feedback section is where you can submit suggestions, report bugs, or request new features. Just choose your feedback type, describe what's on your mind, and submit. You'll get a reference code so you can check the status of your submission anytime. You can even see all your past feedback submissions right in the app. We read every single piece of feedback and use it to make the app better for everyone.
That's great to hear. So who would benefit most from using this app?
Everyone from beginner traders who want to learn the ropes, to experienced investors who need an extra edge, to anyone who's tired of paying thousands for premium trading signals. Our AI democratizes access to professional trading analysis at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, or stocks, this app levels the playing field.
I'm sold. How can people get started with this amazing app today?
It's super simple. Just visit our website and install the Progressive Web app on your device. No App Store downloads, no complicated setups. You'll get instant access to professional trading insights, a built-in crypto wallet, market sentiment analysis, and that incredible AI assistant. Your trading game is about to get a serious upgrade.
Amazing. Thanks so much for walking us through this incredible trading app. Don't forget to check out the link in our description to get started today. Your future self will thank you.